In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove and add recipes in the planner. You can add recipes to your planner in a number of ways. First, you can add from inside of a recipe card. When viewing a recipe's details, click the Add button. Choose the meal plan you'd like to add it to. If you haven't yet created a plan, click Create Plan. Give your plan a title and save it. From there, select whether this is a main dish or a side dish. Select the meal type, the days you would like to add it to, and when ready, click Add Recipe. If the days are grayed out, this means your planner does not have an open meal slot during that day and meal to add it to. You can also add a recipe from the recipe gallery. Apply the appropriate filters needed to find a recipe. Then select the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Plan. Choose whether this is a main dish or a side dish. Select the meal plan, the meal type, and the days you would like to add it to. Adjust the number of servings if needed. When ready, select Add Recipe. You can also add a recipe from within the planner. When in the planner, click into any empty meal slot. From there, select or search for the recipe you'd like to add. For example, if I want to add an overnight oats recipe, I can search and find different recipes. To further narrow your search results, click on the gear icon and apply any applicable tags or ingredient exclusions. Be sure to click Edit Plan to save your changes. If you already have recipes in your plan that no longer meet your updated rules, you will need to manually remove and add recipes. You can use the list to locate the ingredients you've excluded and speed up the editing process. Click on the list to see the shopping list. From there, click on the ingredient you need to exclude. This will show you the recipes this ingredient appears in. You can click on the recipe to be brought directly to the planner. From here, you can remove the recipe and add a new one. Be sure to remove all instances of the recipe. Since your rules have been updated, all of the recipes shown will match your newly updated rules. You can repeat this as many times as needed to update your plan. You can also add a recipe when viewing templates. Click on the icon with the 3 dots next to the recipe and select Add to Plan. Choose whether this is a main dish or a side dish. Select the meal plan, the meal type, and the days that you would like to add it to. Adjust the number of servings if needed, and when ready, click Add Recipe. Lastly, you can also add a recipe from within collections. Click the icon with the 3 dots next to the recipe you'd like to add and select Add to Plan. Choose whether this is a main dish or a side dish. Select the meal plan, the meal type, and the days that you'd like to add it to. Adjust the servings if needed, and when ready, click Add Recipe. To remove a recipe from your meal plan, head to the planner. Choose the meal plan you'd like to delete a recipe from by using the Recents button. From within the plan, click on the icon with the 3 dots to the right of the recipe you'd like to remove and select Remove from Plan. You can also click into any recipe you'd like to remove and click the icon with the 3 dots to view, and then select Remove from Plan. Click Remove Dish to confirm the deletion of your recipe. The nutrition information will be updated in real time to reflect the removal of the recipe. If you'd like to remove the same recipe from multiple days at once, click the recipe photo and deselect the days that are selected. Click Save to confirm the removal of the recipe. And that's how easy it is to remove and add recipes inside of the planner.